Hi, I'm Brian Pfeiffer, aka the Marketing Meathead, and today I'm going to give you guys an update on the Facebook campaign. I believe it's day 10. All right, welcome back. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick update here. If I look away, it's just because I'm checking my screen and making sure I got the latest and greatest. So here's one of our affiliate accounts. Today we're at 2240. I'm not showing the offers there, but this is kind of just showing you guys what's possible. We have a year-to-date payout of 50K, month-to-date of 17K, 17.5, and we're only on the 8th of the month. So, that's just what's possible, guys. We're crushing it with this campaign right now. If you're interested in hearing more about that, just leave me a like and a comment, and I'll go ahead and contact you about our upcoming coaching program. So I got some good news. Looks like the campaign is coming around a little bit, at least today. I think I last updated everybody on Tuesday, or maybe it was Monday. I don't know, it was Tuesday or Monday. Anyway, today we're at 270. This is the 8th, obviously, today's date, 3/8, and 270 in revenue, and let's see what we've spent. We have spent, let's refresh this, and we're at 270, and we've spent 164. So we are profitable. So this is good news. Sometimes it takes a little while for the Facebook pixel to gather some data. That's 270. So $105 in profit today. So we're making up a little ground on what we were behind before. Let's take a look at yesterday. I don't think we were profitable yesterday. 3.7, still loading. Yeah, we only had 135, and in ads yesterday we spent, I think we were probably about 195. Yeah, so we lost about $60 yesterday. So again, this campaign, today it's fairly profitable, and yesterday was not profitable. Let's see what the 6 was. I think we broke even on the 6. The 6 here was today. Yesterday was just the custom 36 to 36. Let's do a filter. Okay, and we did 180 on 3.6, and I think we spent about that too, 199. So we were just about breaking even. So, Monday, Tuesday were not great. Or that was actually Tuesday, Wednesday, and today was really good. So let's dive into it a little bit. Let's check out the overall, because I like to see the lifetime here, and we'll just kind of get a gauge where we're at. I think we're probably going to be down about 200 overall, 1650 spent, and lifetime year to date here is 1440. So 1440, 1650 was that number? 210. So we're down about $200 overall, which is not bad considering this is a new campaign. Yeah. So and today was profitable. We did. Let's kind of dive into today and see why we're profitable. Like I said, on Monday and Tuesday we didn't really have enough data to go through and give us a one or two conversions or 3 conversions in a day is not giving Facebook any room to work. I mean, realistically, we need, even on the life of this campaign right now, we're total conversions. Let's see, we've gotten year to date 32 conversions. Generally, I like to get about 100 conversions, I think, before Facebook really, algorithm understands the people that are really converting on this, okay? So at 32, we're probably like a third of the way, I think, where we need to be, and we're really not losing much money overall. We made up some ground today. We're down about $200. I'm just going to let this thing keep running and see if the Facebook algorithm will figure it out. If I was losing like 150, $200 a day, I'd probably pause it and try something else. But I lost a hair bit of money yesterday, almost broke even the day before, and today we made money. So let's let it run. Let's see what we're looking at here. Our cost per lead, this is actually looking pretty good. Let's dive into this one a little bit. So check this out. look at this. Our 45 to 55 is what's crushing it, and that's doing the best for us right now. We're getting the most leads here. These are not looking so hot. So let's check the engagement here. See if we're getting any kind of shares. People taking action is good here. Look at the post reactions. You can see the post reactions are a lot higher on these 45 to 55. So I think we have potentially a winning ads here and a winning age range. So now, one thing we've kind of noticed is that when we start to scale this thing, like we start putting like $100 on these ad sets, it seems to become not profitable. So I'm just going to let it run tomorrow and kind of see where it's at the same dollar budgets I have. I have it set up for, right now we are at, I think we're at $200. I think I got this one set up for $100. Let's take a look. And then I got those other 4 at, this one is at $100 daily budget, okay? And my cost per lead's like breaking even on this, but I am getting maybe the occasional share or like. Let's look at the engagement on this Tea Party one. A lot of post reactions. Look at how many shares I'm getting on this, 29. So I'm probably getting some free traffic that's not being counted for here, and I'm probably profitable on this ad. Even though it's showing $48, it's probably lower because I'm getting some conversions off the shares, which Facebook cannot track. So more than likely this is profitable. And then again, let's take a look at this one. We are running $25 a day on each of these ad sets, so $100 here. So we're at about $200 a day on this campaign, and that's you know what we're spending now. We haven't ended today yet. We still have some delivery going out today. Let's see, we are at, let's see, today's date. Let's see how much we've spent so far. So we might still get some conversions. We're only at 164. It's still going to spend, you know, roughly $40 tonight, and we're at 270 today. Potentially we might have a, you know, oh, just got another conversion. Wow, we were on the thing. Nice. All right, now we're talking, Ross. Another conversion. So we're at 315 minus 168. Now, isn't it fun when you make money, guys? We're at $150 profit today. Okay, so that's the real deal. And, you know, some people are like, oh, you know, you were losing money over the weekend. Well, you know what? I've made almost all that money back today. Okay, so that's how these campaigns work sometimes. You know, I wanted to show you guys this while it was making money, and you just saw with your own eyes another conversion come in. There's $315 today. That's 3.8, and so far we've spent a total of 164, 147 profit, and we still have $30 to spend today. Worst case scenario, we end up about 110 profit, but there's a chance we might get another conversion or two and be very profitable today. Okay, so let's just leave this thing. I think we're doing okay with that. I'm cool making a couple $100 a day until this algorithm really kicks in, and then we'll slowly start to scale it up. But if we can make $150 a day, you know, that pays for a couple things. You know, pays for a nice lunch and a nice steak dinner tonight. So, so that's it, guys. I just wanted to give you a quick update. I will keep you updated on this campaign as we progress. We are crushing it with another couple campaigns, and if you guys are interested in learning more, I would really appreciate a comment below. And you can always go to my blog, marketingmeathead.com, and put your email in. I would appreciate a subscribe and bang that notifications bell and a like on the video. And I look forward to working with all you guys in the future. Talk later. Bye.